Hi everyone, welcome back to DIY Gear. Today we will show you how to replace the back cover on the Motorola Moto G Play 2024 mobile phone. Please check the description for the repair tools, protective gear and compatible parts. First, turn off the phone and then begin the back cover removal process. To remove the back cover, gently heat the edges to soften the adhesive. Place the back cover facing down on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option. Leave it till the process completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Next, use a suction cup to create a small gap along the edge of the back cover. The ideal place to use the suction cup is at the bottom of the cover. Carefully insert a plastic car pry tool into the gap and slide it around the edges to cut the adhesive. This process will take time and be gentle with the internal components. Always use the tip of the tool to free the adhesive. Once the adhesive is free, gently lift and remove the broken back cover. If your back cover is damaged heavily, gently remove the pieces. Next, clean the frame edges. Next, align the new back cover and secure it to the body. Before installing the back cover, make sure it has enough glue. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, secure the rear cover to the body using bonding clips. Hope you have enjoyed the repair guide. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Please like, share and subscribe for more repair guides.